Thank you.
Take it off.
Why?
Take it off.
You don't like them? He wants to wear them. You want to wear them?
Take it off.
Okay, gentle. Thank you, Mommy. Bloop, bloop.
Wait, Mommy glasses off.
You want me to take my glasses off?
And again.
You want to put them on?
And again. Good.
Okay.
Oh, mommy.
That's funny.
Yes.
You like that? You
And
like...
Daddy.
Daddy's got his own glasses on.
Take it off.
Take it off? Okay. Can I put them back on?
Daddy, you will off.
Can you see what I see? Very good.
What do you think? Mommy. Dinosaur. What is it? Go find it.
Right there.
What does it say?
Someone she said, I don't know.
Connor Siciliano.
Here comes.
What's that say?
Siciliano, right?
Siciliano. Very good.
Who am I, Connor?
No case here.
Logan sits there. Yep.
Is that Logan Siciliano?
No.
No.
Oh!
Daddy Siciliano and Mommy Siciliano?
Like that?
Right. And Papadoo Siciliano.
Like it?
Connor, can you tell me the letters for Siciliano? Where is it? Where's Siciliano?
Hi, Peppa.
Siciliano.
Siciliano. Right. Good job.
5, 6, 7, 8.
You stuck?
I am.
Connor, can you find your shoes? Connor Siciliano, right.
Connor, who's mommy holding? What's his last name?
Oh, honey, you know what? I think your shoes are in here. I'm sorry. Can you snuggle Papadoo?
Okay.
Give him snuggles.
Oh,
Snuggle.
give him Peppa love. Snuggle. Oh, good doggy.
You love him?
Doggy.
Good doggy.
Right.
Mama.
Perfect.
Nancy.
Perfect.
Down. Go fast. And
That's Mommy's jacket.
Wait.
Are you frustrated, Connor?
No touch. My shoes are not. Tunnel shoes on.
Connor shoes on Daddy's toes.
Antenna. 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 Antenna.
And Connor.
No. No camera. No camera.
No, leave it alone. Mark, I really need.
See?
Yeah.
Siciliano.
Aww.
I see widow.
Connor, what's your last name? Connor, what's your last name?
I Siciliano.
Siciliano. Very good.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Go. Let's let Pep out.
Okay, Logan is boycotting the bottle.
Okay.
It's gonna make me like, yeah, it's gonna make me like very difficult.
Come on, Pep. Come on.
It's gonna make my,
Come on,
my
Connor.
life difficult. I've been pumping.
Papa Doodles. Come on, Peppa. You see him? Is he coming? So you got it. You got it, Peppa. Come on. Come on, Peppa Doodle. So you got it, Peppa.
Okay.
So you got it, Peppa.
Okay, Pep.
So you got it. Well, you go get him. Go get Peppa.
Get up.
Come on, Peppa. Come on. Let's go out. Come on. Up, 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 up. Come on, Connor. He's ready. Alright, here we go. Come on, Peppa. Ah, he ran away from us. Silly doggy.
Sorry, doggy. Go get him. Go get him.
Oh, here he comes. You got it. Come on, buddy. All right, put that down, Peppa. Good boy.
Uh-oh.
There he goes. Goodbye, Peppa Doodle.
Oh, no.
Oh, no.
Okay, who's gonna light him?
That's what Devin's gonna look like.
No, I don't think that. Well, she's gonna
Excuse me.
Okay, ready? Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday, dear Connor. Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha.
Blow him out.
Yay.
Harder. Blow it. We gotta blow him out.
Blow it out.
Blow it harder. Oh, good job.
Blow.
Blow. You did one. Do the other. Do the other one.
No, blow.
Blow. Blow, Connor. Blow, go. Hard. Hard. Yay!
Oh, you won. Oh, you. Well, that's it. Right?
You
My hair was in his way.
You too. You won. You two. You three. You four.
How old are you, Connor? Can you show us?
How old are you?
Look at
How
that.
old are you?
2.
How old are you?
Never thinks that's
How
great.
old are you? Say 2.
You want to take it again, Mark?
24 months.
Hello.
Here, come here. Wait, come here.
Yes. There you go, Nevers.
Watch
Hi,
him.
Chris.
He's going for the cake.
I'm going in.
Look at him. Peter, watch your son.
Well, we'll watch it.
Who burned their hair?
Probably me. No, I didn't. I don't think I burned it. Nevin had my hair.
Should we cut the cake?
No, he's gonna cut a piece.
He's got to cut it? Okay. All right.
Let Nene cut it.
Connor,
He's
help
gonna
me.
cut.
Oh.
He gets to help cut the first piece. All right, help me cut it. Hold on.
Hold the knife.
Hold the knife. We're going to cut it together.
Ready?
1, 2, 3. Yay!
Oh, Bob, you gotta get Liam in this.
Good job.
Logan's like, dude, I'm sleeping.
Okay.
Oh my
You got him, Papa?
Look at Devin.
Come on.
He knows what he's doing.
Look at the flower.
No, that's it. I'm not having that piece. I'm having this piece to that
Oh,
side.
this thing's great, Mark.
Got them all?
I'm not about
You can have one. You can have one, honey. Hold on. Papa, did you get all the kids, all the boys?
Oh, yes.
Can I have this piece to that piece?
Yeah. Here, this is Nev.
Alcohol!
Let's go.
Oh, let's go,
I'm gonna
Nev.
add alcohol.
Hey, Connor, eat it up, buddy.
Alcohol to that, to
It's
that.
gonna be fun in college.
Who? What are you doing there?
Nate yelling for alcohol now.
Oh, I'm gonna add alcohol.
Finish something big on. Dad, I'm going
I
clubbing.
have a
I'll see ya.
Have that.
Say Logan wants to rock. Oh, he's talking to you. Connor,
Connor, answer your brother.
Logan was talking to you.
Right.
What's Logan saying?
Ow!
Right.
Who's that?
Logan, Mom. Big brother.
You're Logan's big brother.
Then the big brother.
Connor is the big
Connor's
brother.
the big brother, right? Wanna try it? No?
Oh, yeah. Logan. Hello.
Honey, please don't stand in that chair. Logan needs that chair.
Hello.
It's not Connor's chair. Connor has his own chair.
Yeah.
Who's that?
Look, it's Mommy.
Logan, hey, will you burp Logan?
Can you help me burp him? Like this?
Bob.
Okay.
Bob, Logan.
Yes, will you burp Logan?
Bob, Logan.
Gentle.
Gentle.
Pat his back and
Pat
then
his
rub
back.
it. Good job.
Ah.
Can you gently touch his head?
Gentle.
Good job, Connor. Oh.
We love
Picture Tana. Picture Tana.
Picture of Connor? Sure. All right. All right. Can you see Connor and Daddy?
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, buddy. How you doing? You feeling any better now?
Picture Daddy.
Picture of Daddy, yeah. You were sick this morning. Do you feel better?
Mommy. Picture Mommy.
Want to see a picture of Mommy?
Okay.
All right. No, Mommy said no.
Not as long as the red light's on.
But we think Mommy's beautiful, right? Yes, we do.
Fish on, Daddy. Come on.
Do you want to put your head down?
No.
No? Here, put your head down, honey. Come on, I'll rub your back. No, over here, honey. I don't want you to sick. Cover up. Cover up with your nana. You stretch out. What's Scooby doing? Is he okay?
Dreaming.
You sure? Kiss what, honey? I'm not kissing you there. Go get a new diaper. Go get a new diaper. Go get a diaper out of Logan.
Connor, what's on here? What's on here?
Look like camera.
Rubu relaxers are on there right now if you want to know the truth. Here, you want to see Daddy's cheeseburger? You okay?
Mommy, Mama, Timka.
Mommy doesn't want a cheeseburger.
Mama,
Mommy? What's that?
Timka.
Whose cheeseburger?
Daddy's.
Daddy's cheeseburger?
Daddy.
That's Daddy?
Yeah.
Or wait, is that one a Daddy or is this one Daddy?
Different Daddy.
This one?
Different
Can I see?
Daddy.
I assume the guy on the left?
The guy in the pink shirt with the arrow on his head.
Yeah. Alrighty.
That's great.
Little chef. Different Daddy. Different Daddy.
Okay.
Little chef. Alright, I see. Mama.
Where's Logan?
Yeah.
Where's Logan?
Right there.
Where is he?
Right there.
Can you give Logan a kiss?
Pa.
Pa. Aww. Do you love Logan?
Oh, Logie.
Pa.
Pa.
Daddy, do it.
Do you love Logan?
Daddy.
Can you say, I love you, Logan?
Apple again.
Aw, that's so sweet, Connor. Gentle with him. Gentle.
Okay, Sam. Okay, Sam.
Pa. You doing pa?
Pa.
Pa.
No, Dad. Logan. Logan Fairy. Logan Fairy. Logan Fairy.
Logan's belly.
Open Logan Fairy.
Gentle with him. He just had surgery, bud. Aw. Oh, you just pet him. That's so sweet, bud. Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh, this Toby.
Yeah, let's get you out of here. We don't want you to go over.
Oh, that was disgusting. Why would you do that on camera?
You gotta go, you gotta go. What's
Hey.
beer, what's beer, what's beer?
It's empty.
Honor. Because one phone isn't enough, enough? You're gonna confuse Papa? Go get that to Papa now.
It's almost over. It's almost over. It's almost over, Muffin. I know. It's almost over.
What is that?
Mark, can you hold up a towel?
Kind Daddy, yeah. What do you need?
Can you hold up a towel, please?
Hold the towel. Okay.
Book. Hair book.
You want a hair book?
Okay.
All right, sit
Can you
down.
give Mommy and Daddy a big hug again?
Okay.
Alright. Big hug for Mommy and Daddy.
Thank you, buddy.
Thank you.
Very nice.
We hair book.
Can I read the hair book?
Yeah,
Hair book?
hair book, Daddy.
So you want to read it? Watch out for those.
We hair book. Hair book, Daddy. Open it, Daddy. Open it. Open it, Daddy. Oh.
This is my hair when I wake up. This is my hair when I see a bear.
Here. Here.
Big hug for Mommy and Daddy.
Be careful, buddy. Oh, thank you.
Thank you, bud. That was so sweet.
Hair book, Mommy.
The hair book. Hold-
What's this one?
Here.
Hair with
Down.
the head off. The hair is down. Very good. This is my hair for school pictures. This is my hair with gum in it.
What is that? This is my hair with pigtails.
Too big.
Too tight. This is my hair when my pigtails are too tight. Ouch!
Too tight. Too.
Ouch! This is my hair with spaghetti and meatballs in it.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, yuck. This is my hair with soap in it.
Yuck.
Yuck. This is my hair when I'm painting. This is my hair when a flying saucer landed in it. Uh-oh. Which one? My hat off.
That's down.
This is my hair for school pictures. This is my hair with gum in it. Uh-oh. Oh, no, no gum. This is my hair when I'm hanging upside down. Upside down. This is me with no hair. No matter how your hair looks, always feel good about yourself. Love, Todd. Oh, look at your leg.
And we can use my daddy. Look at me.
You looking with Logie in the mirror?
How about Logan? No, try Logan. Hi, Log.
Good.
Hello, Logan. Hello, Logan.
Logie. Good.
I get it.
Just looks like it.
Do I have something on Monday? Oh, good. Hey. No. Hi. Hi, Tinkers. Hello, Tinky. Hello, Logie. Oh. 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 What are you doing with that neck? Are you slipping? There. Logan. Hello. Ticky, 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 ticky. Ticky, 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 ticky. Hello, Log.
Where's that smile?
Logie.
Go.
Go. You look so serious. Logan. Logie. Oh, go. Hi, Doobers. Hello, buddy. Hello. Hello, Hello. Logan. What are you so worried about that camera? Oh. Oh. Logie dog. Hello, Tinkers.
See a little smile.
Hello, Tinkers. Ay. Oh. Oh. What are you doing? Hi.
Oh.
A goo. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hello, Logie. I'm glad you're awake. Boo. Oh. Boo. Hello, Dinky. Hello, Log. You okay?
Blue. take this? Look, see Grandma.
Can you give Logan a kiss?
Pa.
Come on, give a kiss.
Pa.
Oh, that was so sweet, Connor. Thank you.
We'll take this.
Logan, can you smile for the camera?
We'll take this. Okay. Ha. Hello, camera.
Connor's on camera. Hey, Logie.
We'll take this. We'll take this. Okay. Okay. Oh.
Hi, doggy dogs.
Hi, doggy doggy.
Doggy dog. Hello, Tinky boy.
What's it, Mommy?
Hello, Tinkers. Hello, Tinky. Yeah, you're so sweet. Isn't it good? Hello, Tinkers. Doggy dog. Hello.
My dog. See the elevator on camera.
Doggy dog. Hello, Kurt. Hello, Stinky.
Hi, Stinky.
Careful, careful. Aww, are you snuggling? Oh, he's snuggling you. Hello, Logan.
Hi.
Logie. Logie.
Come on, come on.
Logan. Buddy. Logan.
What's it for me? Blow it.
Hello. You are just being difficult.
I come on.
Hello.
There it is.
Hello. Hello, Tinky. Oh, floaties. Oh, those are floaties. They're such floaties.
I do bomb.
Hello. Hello, Tinky Tinky. Hello. Oh. Hello. A cool. Go, go.
ABCD.
Sing them.
ABCD.
A, B.
E, F, G, H, I, K, K, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, I, N, C. I know my ABCs. That's I want to take with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, C, H, I, J, K, L, M, O, P. Again, closer, making closer. Ups. It's Daisy. Ups. Daisy. Daisy. Toto. Toto. Daddy. On down there. See what we do.
That's the ski. You're right. Circle it. Right there. Right there. Circle it. See? Right there. Circle. Circle it. Circle it. Wait, we gotta circle that. Can you circle it, please? Okay, cross it off. Cross it off down here. There it is, right there. Cross it off. Okay.
One gate.
Okay, that's not a gate, it's a ski.
One gate.
Okay, what else are we gonna find? How about the acorn? He's on the giraffe. Do you see the acorn? Very good. Circle it. Good job. Okay, cross it off. Good job.
For apple.
Okay, let's look for the apple.
The apple.
Where is it?
Bear.
The apple's on the bear? Where? I don't see it. What's the matter? You dropped your crayon? There you go. What do you see? I see the apple. Look, it's right there. Tricky. You see it? It's upside down, look. See? Circle it.
This apple right there.
Okay. Cross it off. Cross it off. Right there. Okay, cross it off down here. Where's the drum? I see the drum. Look down here. You see it? Right there. See it? Cross out the drum.
Right it.
What? That's a mouse. Did you drop your crayon?
Right there.
Right there.
What's it for me?
What is it?
You gotta Google.
What's broken?
Google.
Go again for what? Oh, and this? Hold on, you ready? Let me see. You ready? Put this down. Put your crayon down. Okay. Take your hands.
Oh my god!
Hold on.
Oh my god! My god!
Where's it?
Mommy find it.
Connor. Psst. How much does Mommy love you?
Her daddy camera.
Connor, how much does Mommy love you? How much does Mommy love you? How much? All right. Don't you bite. Bonk. Bonk. Oh, get away. Oh, get away. Oh, give me kisses. Okay.
Hi, Daddy. Hi, Mommy.
Hi, baby.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Connor.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, baby.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Connor.
Hi, Turkey. Turkey lurk. Do you want to go in the toilet?
No.
You want me to flush you?
No.
No. I'm going to put you in the garbage.
No.
Let me bite your ear.
Mommy?
Yes, sir. Are you kidding? Stop doing that, honey.
Mama, go.
Did you ever see a whale with a coconut tail? Down by the...
Me. Wanna go. I go. So nice. B1, Mano, go. We pet those bunny doggies. We pet bunny doggies.
Can you re-pet the bunny to Logan?
Okay. Good boy.
Read it, Logie.
Pick up.
You want to lay down next?
Daddy, read. Daddy, read
Well,
that.
can you lay down next to him? Gentle.
No.
No, so good.
Just like that.
Watch his arm.
That.
There you go. Because they're all snuggled nice and tight.
That's how you cut.
Here are Paul and Judy. They can do lots of things. You can do lots of things too.
Bye-bye.
Judy can pet the bunny. You can pet the bunny too.
So nice.
So nice.
So nice, bunny.
Judy can play peekaboo with Paul. You can play peekaboo with Paul too.